Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. You're watching this probably because you've subscribed to my list or you've had some sort of contact with me to learn more about SFM, which is the Six Figure Mentors, and working in this online digital marketing space. I joined the business as an affiliate about 15 months ago now, and in fact started marketing the services so that I could generate an income from the commissions that I can earn from the products and services that can be sold. Now, to be fair, there's an awful lot more to SFM than just being an affiliate. But one of the things that I found outstanding, and I thought I should share that with you today, is my ability, not being particularly IT savvy, etc., but as I went through the training and I started to do the marketing online, and that involved setting up my website, getting Google AdWords involved so that I could promote the videos that I was then producing to market and promote these services online. Once I got everything set up, which didn't take very long, with the help of the training from SFM and the coaches and the community and people that will help you on this journey as they helped me when I started, that my marketing actually started about 12 months ago. And my marketing was in the form of videos which helped to promote really the business opportunity as an affiliate with SFM. And when I started that journey back in October, I produced 18 leads in my first month. And to be honest, I didn't really know at that time whether that was good or bad. But I've now learned that was a relatively small number in comparison to where I am now. But there were two numbers which were very relevant, and I thought I'd share them with you because if you've already started looking into this business opportunity, you'll know a bit about what these numbers might mean. And the two numbers are how many leads I had produced or how many inquiries I had produced each month on my journey over the last, just over a year now, and also the cost per lead. Because it's all very well and good, we can spend loads of money buying leads, buying inquiries, but what we really want to do is to increase the number of leads that we're producing, but at the same time perhaps reduce the cost per lead over that period of time, which means we're working smarter rather than just harder. So for me, that journey started last October. As I said, 18 leads in my first month at a cost per lead of £75 per lead. Now again, some of you are going, wow, that's expensive. And it was, but I didn't really realise that at that time. But what's happened over the last 12-14 months is that almost consistently, every month I've increased the number of leads that I've been able to produce for the company, but at the same time my cost per lead has come down. So in comparison to last October, 18 leads in that first month, a cost per lead of £75. Last month I produced 660 leads, yes, 660 leads at a cost per lead of only £2.79. So it just shows really, as I'm on this journey, as some of you guys are on this journey as well, it hopefully will just give you that little bit of enthusiasm to say, well, if Peter can do this, anybody can do this. And honestly, that's the truth. Although I know some of you will sit there and think, no, he knows what he's doing, he's successful, and so on and so forth. But the success that I've had in this business, working with SFM as an affiliate, offering their products and services, has all been learnt. And okay, I've put the discipline and the energy in behind that to make sure that I take action. That's very important, of course. But what I'd like to say to you today is, if you'd like help on that journey, please reach out to me. I'm here to help. Part of your success actually helps me to be successful in the business as well, because we're in a community where we all support each other. So if the SFM business opportunity, you're looking at it, or you've just started looking at it, or you've been looking at it for a while and perhaps you haven't yet taken action, can I just encourage you to do that? And if you haven't seen the free video series or the free video workshop that's now available from SFM, I'll put my website address on the bottom of this video, and if you visit that website, you can pick up the free video workshop. Now, the free video workshop is a great explanation over 2 or 3 days of the different types of things that are available to you at SFM, and I think you'll find that very helpful and encouraging as well, as I did. Anyway, look, I'll let you get on with the day. Have a great one. Cheers for now.